Hi there and welcome to my Pioneer Workshop. Today we're going to work on building cornhole boards. We're going to take you through the entire process of cutting and assembling and putting them together, along with some of the equipment and tools you might need and the materials you're going to need. So we're starting out with a 4x4 sheet of birch plywood. And what I'm doing here is just marking where I'm going to cut it in the center at 2 feet and get it ready for the table saw. So here I'm just lowering the table saw blade to about 1 inch, because you only need to cut through a 3/4 inch piece of plywood here. Confirming that my fence is set at 2 feet, and go ahead and making the rip cut. If you don't have a table saw, you can certainly use a skill saw. I'm going to store this piece of plywood out of the way and talk about the wood list. You're going to need 2 24 by 48 inch pieces of birch plywood, 2 1x4 by 8 pieces of Doug fir, and 2 12-inch 2x4 legs. Marking the first 8-foot 1x4 at 48 inches, and the second one every 24 inches. Marking for the 12-inch 2x4s for the legs. Now it's over to the miter saw to make all the cuts. Quick mock-up look, you'll quickly find out that the width is fine at 2 feet, but when you measure the length, you're at 49.5, and that's because the 1x4 is 3/4 inch thick. So to compensate for that, we need to take off 3/4 of an inch from this side and this side for a total of 1.5 inches. So cut this board down from 48 to 46.5. So we'll go do that at the chop saw now. So now that we've taken 1.5 inches off of each of the 48-inch rails, it measures exactly 48 inches. And of course our width is 24 inches, just what we want for our cornhole boards. So now we're going to move to drilling the pocket holes and gluing and assembling the frame. So here I'm using wood glue and finish nails, 2-inch 16 gauge finish nails to assemble the frame.